All India Seminar on Repairs and Retrofitting of Structures organized by the Institute of Engineers. At the outset, a heartfelt congratulations to the whole team who organized this particular program. In Indian context, in urban areas or rural areas, the building, when we construct the building, so normally their life is almost 50 to 60, and it is not common to each and every building. That all depends upon the type of building. Each and every individual building we have to take into consideration. Let us say, just now we are discussing the structures constructed in the offshore, normally designed for the only 10 years. So residential purpose around 60, commercial around, it all depends upon what kind of material we are using. Just now, Surya Prakash Garu also mentioned, after water, the cement is the largest consumed material, right? So like that, even steel, the type of material characterization also very, very important. So here, the difference between the traditional construction and the present modern construction, if you look at the traditional construction, suppose if you take the Rome city, almost more than 800 years, buildings also still live, and without any kind of maintenance, the buildings are functioning. So that's a traditional construction. Now coming to the modern construction, in spite of all these techniques, whatever the recent techniques, right, whatever we are using, the technology is helping, but unfortunately we could not able to construct a great life structures. That is a great kind of challenge. And sustainability in the present day is a bigger challenge. And at the same time, the repairs and of course the retrofitting of structures also, it's a great kind of challenge. There is no definite solution to rectify 100% for the damaged buildings. Only the present, the technology we can use here is artificial intelligence is one of the best kind of, the solution, and definitely it provides some kind of to develop data, and data driven modeling you can use. And at the same time, the data resources, when looking at retrofitting scenarios, it is like that, adoption of artificial intelligence to retrofit projects can help to overcome some complex related to data capturing, data processing, and optimal retrofit outcome. This is very, very important. So knowingly, unknowingly, we are using excess kind of material. Whether it is really required or not, we don't know. So the optimum way of the retrofitting methodology is very, very important. So artificial intelligence and machine learning and even the other kinds of techniques very much essential in the present day context. The students, each and every student now, they are focusing on interdiscipline programs irrespective of their specialization. A civil engineer earlier 100% they used to learn about civil engineering, but the present day context only 60% of the core subjects and 30 or 40% of the subjects related to computers. So the computers or artificial intelligence will simplify the process and give the best of the best designs, and more optimum way it will give the solutions of unsolved problems of the society. So still lot of research is required in this area. And normally our concept is, demolish and rebuild. This is the not correct way of doing, but at the same time, the repairs and rehabilitation and retrofitting is also very essential, because, the many structures today, if you look at in Hyderabad and even other places, heritage structures are there. There is a need to protect and there is need to showcase all the heritage structures. Recently, I visited this Mysore Maharaja Palace. How beautifully they constructed. There is no repair, nothing, everything is in proper way. And during that time, the designs, the color, the architecture, interior design, everything. So that was constructed long back. But today technology, no doubt the earlier traditional methods definitely will compete to today technology also. That is a great kind of, the challenge in the present day context. And coming to this particular repairing of structures is more complex than a building of new one. It requires a forensic understanding of materials, chemistry, and structural mechanics. So therefore, the lot of research, is required to further explore the possibilities with the help of this, the forensic understanding of materials. Definitely it plays, because the corrosion is a serious kind of problem. What kind of steel we are using? Even each and every material characteristics also we can assess using the artificial intelligence. That is very much, need of the hour. So therefore, the students and researchers should focus on these aspects much rather than like, routine traditional things. So when you use artificial intelligence, obviously it gives so many solutions and new ways for the addressing these particular repairs and rehabilitations. Congratulate, and I thank Institute of Engineers for giving me this opportunity.